Will my preview here am I? Never are you I should say. Kisha you are we my ball. Never got the came as Then you lulu hold you. They saw you both sharp on night. I suppose you knew. She knew. Show na shaku ti bahel you can keep the my chicken we borrow high na you she knew ne lo social life ma popi ma para mai never she showed you just you eat my Jenese ida hoju buvishi inu buju bushalai hisa inu lu hinu never got this sulai never ya do a show Shona shaku ti bahel you can keep the my chicken we borrow high na you she knew ne lo social life let she do show you am I never do show you let she my be my she so cute Marshalla ye le shipwe lolo hoku salamai feel ho hisa kujima nele shi ju via hinu aso ju bang all the way never ya do a show Shona shaku ti bahel you can keep the my chicken we borrow high na you she knew ne lo social life we borrow high na you she knew ne lo social life.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Souziiveio and I will be reading from the book of Leviticus. Leviticus chapter 25 verses 1 to 17. 1. And the Lord spoke to Moses on Mount Sinai, saying, 2. Speak to the children of Israel and say to them, when you come into the land which I give you, then the land shall keep a Sabbath to the Lord. 3. 6 years you shall sow your field, and 6 years you shall prune your vineyard, and gather its fruit. 4. But in the 7th year there shall be a Sabbath of solemn rest for the land, a Sabbath to the Lord. You shall neither sow your field nor prune your vineyard. 5. What grows of its own accord after harvest, you shall not reap nor gather the grapes of your untended vine, for it is a year of rest for the land. 6. And the Sabbath produce of the land shall be food for you, your male and female servants, your hired men, and the strangers who dwells with you. 7. For your livestock and the beasts that are in your land, all its produce shall be your food. 8. and you shall count 7 Sabbaths of years for yourself. 7 times 7 years, and the time of the 7 Sabbaths of years shall be to you 49 years. 9. Then you shall cause the trumpet of the Jubilee to sound on the 10th day of the 7th month. On the day of atonement, you shall make the trumpet to sound throughout all your land. 10. And you shall consecrate the 50th year, and proclaim liberty throughout all the land to all its inhabitants. It shall be a jubilee for you. Each of you shall return to his possession, and each of you shall return to his family. 11. That 50th year shall be a jubilee to you. In it you shall neither sow nor reap what grows of its own accord, nor gather the grapes of your untended vine. 12. For it is the Jubilee, it shall be holy to you. You shall eat its produce from the field. 13. In this year of Jubilee, each of you shall return to his possession. 14. And if you sell anything to your neighbor, or buy from your neighbor's hand, you shall not oppress one another. 15. According to the number of years after the Jubilee, you shall buy from your neighbor, and according to the number of years of crops he shall sell to you. 16. According to the multitude of years you shall increase its price, and according to the fewer number of years you shall diminish its price, for he sells to you according to the number of the years of the crops. 17. Therefore you shall not oppress one another, but you shall fear your God, for I am the Lord your God. Leviticus chapter 25 verses 1 to 17. Have a blessed night. Thank you.